Hey everyone, and welcome to Live Your Nutritious Life. Today we're shining a spotlight on a humble yet mighty vegetable, cabbage. Cabbage might not be the star of the show, but don't underestimate its potential. It's packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. These contribute to a healthy immune system, strong bones, and a regulated digestive system. Plus, cabbage is low in calories and fat, making it a perfect addition to weight management goals. Did you know cabbage can be fermented to create delicious and healthy options like sauerkraut and kimchi? Fermentation boosts the good bacteria in your gut, promoting gut health and overall well-being. Now let's get cooking. Cabbage is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it raw in salads, shredded for coleslaw, or stir-fried for a quick and healthy side dish. Feeling adventurous? Try making stuffed cabbage rolls, a hearty and flavorful meal. Recipe ideas: classic coleslaw, a refreshing side dish with shredded cabbage, carrots, and a creamy dressing. Rainbow veggie stir-fry, a colorful and vibrant stir-fry featuring cabbage alongside your favorite vegetables. Stuffed cabbage rolls, tender cabbage leaves are filled with a savory ground meat and rice mixture, then simmered in a flavorful sauce. A delicious and comforting one-pot meal. And for a lighter option, explore cabbage soup. This simple dish is packed with nutrients and perfect for a healthy and satisfying lunch. Korean kimchi fried rice, a flavorful twist on fried rice with the tangy kick of kimchi. So ditch the cabbage stereotypes. It's a delicious, nutritious, and budget-friendly addition to your meals. With a little creativity, you can explore a world of flavors and unlock the power of cabbage. Thanks for joining us today. Let us know in the comments below how you enjoy incorporating cabbage into your diet. We'd love to hear your favorite recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy and delicious inspiration.